Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah. Well,
We were just going to junk it.
yeah. I think what this family really needs is another vehicle. Oh, here you go. Buddy, I've got some great news. I received an email from Spectrum Academy. It's a school in North Salt Lake, Utah, and the school nominated them. It's a school for autistic children. Allie and Dave. Allie is my wife. We have a family at Spectrum Academy High School that could use your help getting their car fixed. They have 4 children who are all on the spectrum. They have a difficult time getting their students to school since they are having car issues. Mom said that the car overheats and they cannot drive it faster than 20 miles an hour, and she's not sure if there are other issues. Spectrum would like to nominate this family to be the recipient of our offer. The family's the Christensens. We're going to go out and meet them, and I'm really excited about it. I've got a son, I spoke about it, he's now 23. This is a picture of him here when he was a little boy. He's holding a saw there in his hand. He liked to chop down trees. And thank goodness we live kind of in the woods a little bit. So he got that. He doesn't do that anymore, thank goodness. But we're really excited to meet him.
Hi.
You're Warren?
Warren, yes I am.
Nice to meet you. Karen?
Yep.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My son Miles.
Our daughter, Natasha's and everything.
Hi.
Our oldest daughter had her called to work.
You're fine. So which one goes to Spectrum?
All of them.
All 3 of them.
Oh, all 3 of them go to Spectrum.
She's the one that has the autism. She was the one born with a heart problem that has epilepsy, and he's got epilepsy.
Oh.
And
So this is the van, huh?
Yeah.
Jumped it, charged the battery up a little bit.
Oh, it did start up?
Yeah, I can get it to start.
Making a banging, clacking noise?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Those aren't good noises to hear.
No, they're not.
Yeah.
Well,
How long have you had the van?
3.5, 4 years.
Okay. Okay.
To get back and forth from Salt Lake.
North Salt Lake.
This one would just take too much gas to do it and probably break down in the process.
Right. Right.
well,
It's better to have one broken down vehicle instead of 2.
this one's working for you though, right?
I mean, it's gonna need work as well, but we'll save it because it's a gas guzzler. So going to North Salt Lake and back, it would take so much gas.
I have a son that went to Spectrum Academy, and he's 23 years old now, and he's autistic. His name is Aiden.
That's my brother.
That's his brother.
Yeah.
He's my youngest boy, his youngest brother, and I just have a real love for autistic. You're not a kid anymore. Dang, you're an adult, a young woman for sure. So it's really my pleasure to meet y'all.
Spectrum is actually a good school for.
It's a dang good school.
Yeah.
We love
Really like
Spectrum.
Yeah,
You know,
she's
Trying to graduate early.
Oh,
and
as
go
long
to
as
the
she passes the
ATC.
classes, this will be her last term at Spectrum.
But tell me what you want to do when you get out of Spectrum.
Work at a fast food place.
Yeah, that's good. Now, what do you want to do there? You want to cook, or you want to just work the window and take the money and talk to people?
Both actually.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. But
Hopefully, it's just a simple fix because.
I don't
but
think it's gonna be.
I don't think so either.
I don't think so, Warren. I think you're right. What's your guess, Warren?
I'm guessing
Come on,
the
everybody.
top half of the engine,
I thought
needs
the
to be
cylinder
I
rebuilt.
don't know anything about cars.
the rockers and the rods.
Should we just take a quick listen to it, real quick?
It knocks.
Yeah.
Let's take a
It
quick
does.
listen
It
to
does.
it. No, he's all right. Yeah, you don't need to. Okay. Warren, I'll tell you what. You're within 2 foot of the problem. It's not in the top end, it's the bottom end.
Oh, really?
But you're only 2 foot off. It's down here in the crankshaft.
Oh,
The bearings. Yeah. All right. Let's let the tow truck driver get it up to the shop. We'll talk to you first next week.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you again.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure meeting you. Good luck. Good luck on that future career in fast food. A lot of people make a lot of good money in that. You
I
know?
need to start saving it.
Yeah, that's her own problem.
That's a hard thing
It's
to
a
do.
teenager thing.
Definitely not for me.
Hey,
Funner to spend it. Well,
thank you
nice
so
to meet
much.
Nice to meet you.
Karen,
Nice to
it's a
meet
pleasure
you.
to meet you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Oh yeah.
We were just gonna junk it.
Yeah. You need 2 cars. You get this
Yeah.
many kids, you need 2 cars.
Especially going to North Salt Lake.
Okay. It's a little bit of a
You're
drive.
not getting away without a handshake.
He's the only boy.
He's shy. It's okay.
Hey, thanks a lot, guys.
Thank you so much.
We'll be in touch. Battery's dead, but let's get it started and see what we can see here. Okay, start it. Ooh, I think if we're really gonna help this family, I mean, you know I can put a motor in this thing, but wow. I think what this family really needs is another vehicle. We're really excited for the Christensen family. We found a van for them. They need a van. They have 4 children. And their van that we picked up from them is, we determined was just kind of at the end of its life. But we found a van here. We're going to do some things. First we're going to do is Kyle here. Kyle, say hi. Hey. We're going to do what we call a full inspection on the vehicle. We think it needs a tranny. The customer that we bought it from said that it needed a tranny, and we're going to believe him. It kind of makes a really nasty sound, but the engine runs pretty good. We're going to check it out, scan it for codes and fuel trim issues, things like that, and then fix a few things. It needs a windshield, but I think it'll be a good little van for him, and we're going to get it all squared away and present it to him this week. And we're super excited about that. The brakes look good.
Yeah, they felt pretty good, driving pretty well. It's just that whiny, noisy transmission.
Yeah. Need a CV axle here too.
Oh yeah, boot's been leaking pretty good.
Boot's leaking. And then it sounded like it had a bit of an exhaust leak, didn't it?
Yeah, it was a little extra.
Oh,
noisy.
you know what? It's gonna be this.
That flex.
Yeah, that flex is just shot. In fact, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. You got a ladder? You want to start it up, and let's start this up. Go ahead and fire it up. Oh, it's right here. Rev it up a little bit. Okay. Look, it's just cracked the holes. See this crack in the seam here?
Oh yeah, on the
See
outer
that?
edges.
It's the hole. Look it up there.
Oh yeah, goes all the way around.
Yeah, I say
Okay.
we just weld it up.
Right.
Yeah.
Make it easy that way.
Yeah. Okay.
Huh.
And then put a tranny in it. Check it out. I think it's going to be good to go. we finally got our van finished up for the Christensens. And there's a few things that are running through my mind, and I wanted to talk to you about it. First off, I'm so touched. They're on their way here, but I'm so touched that there was a 10-to-1 people that wanted to help. There was 10 times more people that wanted to help than the need that we had. And I was so touched by that so many people, their hearts are in service, and thank you for that. So I'm so excited. We ended up buying a new van, or a used van. It needed a transmission, some windows fixed. We got tires on it, detailed the inside. It's going to be such a great van for them. So let's get the Christensens here and give them this van. Warren? Yes. Here's the title to the car. We've signed it over, so you're the buyer. This is what you'll need to fill out and take it to the DMV.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you.
You're welcome, dude. Thank you.
Diddy.
So if you've got groceries and you only got yourself and you want to just load it up, boom, it's a pickup truck. So much nicer than having to lift the seats out the way the other,
We can
Other
never get
ones
the
just-
other seats out.
Oh, I got them out. But
Yeah,
the
they're hard.
little cargo aerials, you had to take that out to get to the lifters, and you pull them out.
No, I know.
They were heavy.
Yeah. I think you'll love this.
We have one for you and your wife.
Oh.
Yeah,
They're called dream catchers?
and there's one for you guys.
Oh. Thank you so much. Nice shirt. Come here, man. Give me a hug.
How you doing?
Good. Thank you so much. We'll,
I like to do that.
so tell me, you like to do this?
Yeah, I make them.
Oh. And you wrap that string around that wire and everything? Wow, and how do you get it so tight like that?
You just pull it. It's honeycomb, so it will. That's why it was in the bag. Do you want the bag so you don't get oil in it before you give it to your wife?
Oh, maybe I should. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
So it's like a beeswax kind of a
it's
paper?
beeswax.
Ah.
So I made one for you, and I made a smaller one for them.
Thank you so much. That's
I didn't know if your sons like them or not, but
Yeah.
if your son who's autistic likes it, send me an email and I'll make him one too.
Oh, that's nice of you. So, can I ask you just a few questions before we go out there? I'm kind of wondering, how's this gonna, you've been driving them to that school every day for years, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My goodness, and what is that, like an hour each way?
No, it's only like 40 minutes on a good day.
40
when
minutes.
it's in the winter, you're looking maybe an hour
Yeah.
or more, depending on how fast people are going.
In traffic, yeah.
So having a dependable vehicle is like going to be nice.
Yeah.
So do you have family in this area? You planning a trip this for Christmas or the holidays for Thanksgiving?
No, we're not planning anything. We just stay at home. Yeah.
Well, if you plan a little trip, you got something you can go in now that's you're not going to need to worry about anything. All right, well, let's go check it out. Well, here you go. We got it all cleaned up for you. It's all ready. Hey, this has been wonderful. This really has been wonderful. We're so glad to have met you. And we'll post up your Venmo account, everybody. We'll have a Venmo account for the family here. What is that Venmo account?
Warren, what's your Venmo?
Come here, Warren.
Just trying to put the paperwork in so we don't lose it, because we already got the insurance and everything.
Now, come here, Warren.
Let's stand over the picture.
Come here. So, what's the Venmo account?
It's Family Christensen
Uh-huh.
at Venmo.com, I guess. Is that
Okay.
right?
So, we appreciate all you do. Thank you. We appreciate what you guys do. Thank you very
We
much.
appreciate what you did for us as well.
You bet. Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless you, man.